Второй класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание, страница 62-63. English, Spotlight 2, My Animals, Homework page 62-63. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now, repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, repeat seasons of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. Boys and girls, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Repeat after me. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. Boys and girls, we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 62. 62. My animals. Мои животные. Listen and repeat. Exercise number 1. Repeat after me. Swim, fish. Sing, bird. Run, horse. Jump, frog. Dance, chimp. And now look at the list, please. Exercise number 1. The answer. Translate. Переведем слова. Translate the words. Fish, swim. Bird, sing. Horse, run. Frog, jump. Chimp, dance. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2, page number 62. Поговори со своим одноклассником. Используй образец. I can jump like a frog. Я могу прыгать как лягушка. I can jump too. Я могу прыгать тоже. To тоже. Boys and girls, look at the list, please. The answer. Repeat after me. I can jump like a frog. I can jump too. I can run like a horse. I can run too. I can dance like a chimp. I can dance too. I can sing like a bird. I can sing too. I can swim like a fish. I can swim too. My dear friends, open your books please. Page number 63. Exercise number 3. Read the dialogue. Look at the picture. Посмотрим на картинку. Ларри, Нани, Ларри, Нани, Ларри, Нани. Что они делают? Ларри купается. Good. Exercise number 3. Read the dialogue. Nani, look, a fish. I can swim too. Well done, Larry. Nani, look, a frog. I can jump too. Well done, dear. Hurry, children, food's ready. Nani, where's checklist? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Прочитай диалог еще раз и составь предложение. Larry can swim. Lulu can jump. Boys and girls, look at the list, please. The answer. Larry can swim. Lulu can jump. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.